Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about the free visual software for putting in your references. It's called PureRef, so this is the web link, or you can just search up PureRef, right? It is actually a free software where you can just put in a custom amount of 0 and you can just download it, right? So once you're done installing it, so you can actually start putting in images, like for example apples. You can also put in images from your folder, so Ctrl V is to put it in. Okay, you can adjust the images, you can spin the images. So how do you flip it, right? To flip it, it will be Shift Alt left mouse button, Shift Alt left mouse button. Anything that you're unhappy with, Ctrl Z to undo. So how do you make the canvas always on top? The answer will be Ctrl Shift A, right? So in this case, I'm going to do it again. Always on top enabled. So let's say if it's very messy, how do I arrange it? Ctrl A to select everything, Ctrl P to rearrange. And if I want to write some notes, to write notes, the shortcut is Ctrl N. I can write it apple with all the other functionalities here. Okay. So how do I export the image canvas? The answer will be Ctrl E. Right, I choose where I want it to be at. I can readjust the size, and then I press export, and it will export as a PNG image. So this is actually a quick tutorial on how to use PureRef. Any other functions that you would want, you can Google it. And that's all. Thank you.